Hello, how are you doing? In this section, we'll see about cascading style sheets. So the first thing we'll see is about the syntax of CSS. So before creating anything, we will create a folder to contain all CSS related files. So here in my computer, I am in Internet Programming folder we created in HTML section. So I create a new folder to hold all CSS files. I call the file name CSS. Then I open Visual Studio Code. So in order to open the Visual Studio Code, simply open the command prompt and say code then dot, which opens in the current folder. Once it is opened, as we see, there is no folder or file inside the CSS folder, so we simply close the welcome screen and we create the first file. And we call the first file, let's say chapter 3. Zero one, then syntax dot html. So the file is opened, already open. So we write a program that shows CSS syntax. As always, the first thing in HTML document is defining the doc type. Then we give it HTML, and we have a head element. HTML element. Then inside that we have head element. So head element contains title, for example, CSS syntax. And we can also put the style elements. Style elements used to hold internal CSS. So we always put style tag, and inside that style tag we put the style declarations also. Also, we will have a body element which contains the visible parts of our HTML web page. So we put here two paragraphs. The first paragraph and paragraph element with the second paragraph element. So in order to apply a CSS rule for these paragraph elements, we use a P, which is a selector. Then we put curly braces. Inside that we put property value pairs. For example, color of the text to be red, and font size of text, which is a property name, and we give, for example, 40 pixels. So once we do that, we save the file and we'll see in the folder. So when we open it, we get text file which is changed to red. So if we change the color, for example, to blue, and we save it, and when we refresh it, the text is changed to paragraph. So in this section, we'll see about how we select, how we use CSS syntax. So here is a selector, which is element selector, which indicates the name of the element. Then we use property value color blue as a value, property font size, and the value for. Thank you.